Okay, I think I literally found the most budget-friendly, awesome mic to get you started on your adventures for live streaming on Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, Facebook gaming, or any type of content creation. And it's the Q9 mic from Tonor. And this thing can crush it for you. Let's go! Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you from my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks and even product reviews like this Tonor microphone. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to improve and grow your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the product or the service I'm talking about, did you all a favor, put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. So the Q9 Tonor microphone is a studio USB microphone that may be one of the best entry-level microphones to help you all get started on your adventures. So what's in this box? Well, let's take a look at what the Q9 can offer you. The Q9 studio microphone from Tonor is just a basic 2.0 USB microphone, which means it'll work for pretty much everyone out there. It has a unique built-in professional noise reduction audio decoding chip, which works exceedingly well for crisp audio, has a recording sample rate of 16-bit at 48 kilohertz with a very high sensitive capsule that produces clear sound and even can pick up low noises. Perfect for all you ASMR streamers out there, and has an LED indicator for when it's on for the badge that can make you adjust the volume controls to go up, down, or even long hold for the mute feature. The cool thing about the Q9 microphone from Tonor is if you're a beginner out there and you're lost in the wide world of audio, and trust me, you're not alone, it is a plug and play unit. Literally, plug it in, it'll be detected, and you can start recording your voice right away. And that's worth its weight in gold. All right, enough blabbing from me. How does the thing sound? Well, let's dive right into it. And here you go. This is my voice coming through the Q9 microphone from Tonor. And as you can obviously hear, the sound is very clean and crisp, and it's due to that sensitive capsule that's inside this microphone. Now, the Q9 microphone is a very unique microphone because it's not an omnidirectional microphone, which means it would capture sound coming from all sides. It's kind of more of a cardioid, even though they don't label it as one. And what that means, it's going to try its best to pick up sound coming from the front while negating sounds from the side. So actually, I'm going to turn this microphone so you can see how the sound will be as I adjust it. Excuse my hands as I touch some things here, but as I start to rotate the microphone and I start to sound a little different as I'm at the back and back to the side here, I can keep rotating the microphone all the way around till I get back to the front, and now you should be able to hear things as it's clearly as I'm speaking into the front of the microphone. Now, the Q9 microphone isn't the best cardioid microphone out there, but it gets the job done. This microphone is kind of unique with the fact that at this price point, it comes with actual volume controls. It allows you to move the volume up or down. So if I grab the microphone here, and I'll show this in a close-up, if I hit the volume up, you'll notice my voice starts to get really, really loud. And as I start to adjust this down, I'm gonna look over here at my levels, everything will start to get way quiet until I get muted out. So now I've just got to find the happy balance here, and hopefully that's not blowing anybody's eardrums out. And if you do a long hold on it, it'll actually go into a mute. And hold the volume back in, and you can see you unmute the microphone. Pretty cool feature that I like. So what are the pros and the cons of the Q9 microphone from Tonor? Well, the biggest pro is the price. For 50 USD, this thing is the complete package. And yeah, it's a package. You get the microphone, you get the boom arm, you get the shock mount, you get the slip-on pop filter, and guess what? You get an additional pop filter that you can attach to the boom arm to put in front of the mic in any direction that you want. And you get all of that for 50 bucks, which is why I would highly recommend this as like a gift to somebody who's getting into streaming or podcasting or recording their voice of any situation, whether it be music or anything like that. This is a dope beginner mic complete package. This microphone is the complete package, so let's talk about the package. You get the nice scissor boom arm here that you can use to move in any direction, and it's just a cheap, basic one, but trust me, it gets the job done. So it's nice to have that for sure. The shock mount is also a basic one, but if anything would move or anything shakes in your house, a lot of this is gonna take up all that vibration sound and not really annoy the streamer or annoy the audience out there. The two filters that it come with are awesome. You can pick and choose whichever one you want. If you don't want this one on, you can put the other filter in front of it, and that way you're good to rock and roll as well. But it's nice the fact they have this complete package. Now, this microphone's not without its faults. Even though it's clean and crisp, it doesn't offer a good, rich bass tone. But to be honest, that's something that's very minuscule that eventually you can upgrade on your microphone, or you can even introduce a mixer or amp that'll help you out with that. In addition, I don't know if I'm the only person that noticed this, but if you use the shock mount, it is in the way of trying to hit the volume up or volume down buttons. They should have made this unit about 1 inch longer so that way it sticks up a little bit higher, because if I'm trying to mute something or make adjustments, I'm just hitting the crap out of this thing and it kind of gets in the way. But again, that's a very minor thing. All right, now it's up to you. Let me know what you think of the Q9 microphone from Tonor. You think it sounds good? How does it compare to other microphones within the price point of $50 USD? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, because I love learning from all of you out there, and I like to see the feedback. If you guys like this video and want me to do more reviews on products that can help you be bigger and better with your live streaming and content creations, you obviously know what to do. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like, share this video with all your friends, and hey, while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in my next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all, and peace!